Hello Pisces, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for July the 1st and July the 3rd reading. July the 1st to July the 3rd reading. Ayan. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, check nyo rin po ang Babaylan TV. So meron po tayo dong isa pang channel, no? May mga readings po tayo doon. So kung gusto niyo po sumali sa ating live sessions, nandun din po yan sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. No? So, wow. I wanted to know, Pisces, that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So naka-flip na kasi ito, Pisces. So simulan na natin, no? It felt like meron talaga ditong tao na sabihin natin, maganda ang pakitungo, no? Sa atin, pero may tinatago siyang sabihin natin agenda, and hindi maganda. Parang kasing it's too good to be true, no? Yun yung nasasabi natin sa sarili natin. Totoo nga ba na kung nagiging biktima ang Pisces ng ganito, no? Kasi Pisces is a very, kumbaga madaling makuha ang loob nila. Wala kasing masamang tinapay kay Pisces, no? Especially kapag pinapakitaan mo siya ng maganda, no? I think that trait can be that's actually the asset and somehow a liability also ni Pisces, no? Kasi sobrang trusting ni Pisces, no? Kapag maganda naman yung pakita sa kanya, pinapakitaan niya na maganda. Even though that there are judgment of other people, even though, no, kahit na sabihin natin yung mga sinasabi na as long as hindi mo yun ginagawa sa akin kay Pisces, hindi kita i-judge, no? Nagiging liability lang siya kasi minsan sa sobra nating mapagbigay, mapagtiwala, no, Pisces, nabibigyan din naman natin sila ng way na or ng idea, no, na pwede mo kong ganituhin, no. Yun yung understanding nila, which is hindi yun yung gusto mong iparating, no. I feel like meron ng nag-iisip ng hindi maganda, no, towards you. With the Queen of Pentacles and the Ace of Pentacles, I feel like this person is giving you, kumbaga pinapadama, no, giving you things, either what you want to say, what you need to hear, no, sabihin natin may palabas, no, itong person na ito. I feel like sabihin natin if ever nakakita siya ng way para utangan ka, no. This might be true or an example, no, but this is the closest to the energy that I am seeing. It might be a metaphor or this really happened, but I feel like, let's say, nakakita siya ng way para utangan ka, there is a promise, no? Pero, ang yung promise na yun, hindi naman talaga siya matutupad. Or, sabihin natin, gagawin, no? Yun nga yung papadamahin. Tapos, manghihiram uli. Tapos, hindi na ipapalik. It's kind of like a scam, no? I feel like, because of how you're bringing, no, to the table, I think that this person, sabihin natin, is just riding on, no, to the energy. Uh, with the Nine of Cups and the Knight of Cups. So I feel like kaya naman siyang baguhin. I feel like sa kabaitan kasi ni Pisces, we can turn things around, no? Kumbaga, we can make this bad person convert into a good person because how you are treating them, no? Siyempre kahit papano, kahit naman siguro masamang tao, may konsensya din yan, no? And I feel like you are in this process of changing this person to become a better version of themselves, no? Ang maganda kasi kay Pisces, um, kaya niya kasi mag-influence, no? Yun nga lang, kaya din niya mag-influence to become good and ma-influence din si person to become bad. But I feel like in this course, no, of the flow ng connection, you're changing your person to be a better version of themselves, slowly but surely. I also felt like the energy here is alam mo kung ano yung ginagawa sa'yo. Medyo hinahayaan lang natin, pero we're setting up boundaries as well. Kumbaga, ito yung sinabi natin na kala nila tanga ka, no? Pero hindi nila alam na nagtatanga-tangahan ka lang para makita mo yung totoong ugali nila, no? But somehow, nandito ka sa part na alam ko yung ginagawa mo. Parang I'm setting the limitations of how far, no? Can you can you do this to me? No, medyo may pagka masokista, no? Yung ganitong um, sabihin nating attributes, no? Pero this is your way also probably, no? Kapag dumating na sa sukdulan, you can probably say, oh, sinagad mo ko, 'di ba? Sinagad mo yung pasensya ko, eh hanggang dito lang talaga, no? Actually, nakikita ko na yung mga ginagawa mo dati. Hindi lang kita kino-call out. You know what? Ino-observe lang kita, no? With the intuition or inner knowing, and this is what's Pisces gift, no? I think most of the Pisces, or probably all of the Pisces have this, yung iba hindi lang activated. Um, Magaling tayong makiramdam, no? Magaling tayo sa ah, alam natin yung nangyayari sa energetic wise, hindi lang natin siya ma-explain. Kaya madami sa Pisces yung um, pabago-bago ang mood, no? Kasi it depends on how the surrounding energy affects them, no? Ang maganda rin kasi kay Pisces is para siyang unyang mo, no? They can adapt to the surroundings. O kung ito ang hinihingi ng surroundings, I can be fine. Kung kalihan tayo, no? I can be fine. Kali-kali tayo, cowboy tayo, kaya ko rin magmura. Dalin mo yan sa isang sabihin nating high-end na lugar. Kaya ko rin naman, no? Kaya ko rin naman kumilos ng may finesse, no? That's how adaptable Pisces are, like the water, no? Yung contained ng water. Or kung gaano ka-flexible si water, no? There's something in you na parang medyo, yun na, sinasakyan mo na. Hindi pwedeng hindi mo alam. That's really impossible. Alam mo rin yung ginagawa mo, Pisces, at alam mo na nagtatanga-tangahan ka or nagbubulag-bulagan ka. No? With the King of Pentacles and the Three of Wands, I feel like you're also pushing the person to do something so that you can make a way, either to let go. But there's something in here, Pisces, that you are testing the person. That's true. Um, Inaano mo siya, kumbaga, sinasagad mo din yung limit niya. Kung hanggang saan ba niya dadalhin, no? Yung, I think, perception nila tungkol sa'yo. With the Phoenix and the King of Cups, I feel like because of what you're doing, because of how you're testing your person, dadating nga yung part na sila na mismo yung aatras sa kine-create nilang laban, 'no? Sa kine-create nilang sabihin natin, "Oh, may masama akong intention dito." Pero katulad ng sabi ko kanina, kahit naman ang masamang tao may konsensya 'yan, 'no? Bigla nilang maiisip na, bakit ko naman sasaktan ang isang taong walang ginagawa sa akin kundi puro kabutihan, 'no? So I feel like Pisces, you are already winning. You are winning in a battle that is most of the zodiacs feels like hindi ko papasukin yan. Tanga lang ang papasok dyan. Hindi ko papasukin yan para akong lumaban sa isang gera na wala naman akong kakayahan. But you are proving all them wrong. Pisces ako, no? I can go to the depths of the sea wherein no other people can explore but only me, no? And I can prove to you that I can go back up, no? With no bruises at may mga kasama pa ako. That is a very courageous, risky, and yet a winning streak, no? For you Pisces. Actually, natutuwa ako, not because I'm also a Pisces, natutuwa ako dahil kung sino man tong Pisces na ito, um, ang dami mong papahangaing tao, no? Hindi lang yung person mo. Kasi nakikita ko dito, your person is changing because of how you treat them. And you treat them very well, fairly, and with respect, no? So kudos to you. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pwedeng kapwa Pisces ito, Leo, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, and Scorpio. No? So, tignan natin inner thoughts, no, ni person para kay Pisces. Let's check the inner thoughts of your person para kay Pisces, no? Do you miss me the way I miss you? So I feel like meron man separations dito, whether it is physical or energetic. I feel like nakapag-embed ka na, no? So kumbaga na itatak mo na yung sarili mo dito sa taong to. And I feel like the person is having a bit of addiction. Kasi let's say, kung ako yung taong never ko na-experience, no, um, ang dakilang pagmamahal, ang walang prejudice, no, na pag-ibig. Naka-Pisces ko lang na experience. I think that you are also creating addiction, no, with the person to chase you, no? Kasi kanino nila to ma-experience? Baka kung ibang zodiacs ito, no, nabira na sila, no? Up to a point baka napakulong pa sila pero ikaw hindi, no? Um, your ito nga yung sinasabi, hindi lahat nakukuha sa dahas, no? So, you're thinking parang you're really unorthodox in here, no? Parang kumbaga ikaw itong si um, Constantine, no? I love how you unravel, no? Parang gusto mong sabihin kay person, merong pang bait na natitira sa'yo. And you are actually unveiling, no? Those blockages para makita nila kung sino yung totoong sila. Napakagandang reading. And this is your um, message from the universe, message from your higher self, guardian angels, you know, or spirit guides, whatever you want to call this. You are so much closer to a powerful breakthrough than you may realize. You have been praying for things to heal, new opportunities to appear, relationships to improve, and these prayers will be answered soon. So, it felt like matagal mo na rin hinihingi na magkaroon ng enlightenment, matagal mo na rin hinihingi na either sana mabago or mapunta itong connection you into another level of commitment. Your challenges with your person is soon to be over, and I think that you are already here in this era of harvest, no? So this is your reading, Pisces. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, sa kabilang channel po yun, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And Pisces, kung gusto niyo po magtanong, pwede naman po dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung feeling niyo po hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, no? Sa description box po, there is a link. All you have to do is to either click the link or copy the link. You will be routed to my website. No, may drop-downs po doon. Nandun po lahat ng information. Check on it. I also have a promotion of 4 questions plus 1. Nandun po ang modes of payments, everything. No? Kung gusto nyo rin pong mag-book ng private reading, nandun din po yan sa description box. So love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Pisces.